We have to estimate the sum by rounding to the specified place value. In this example, we have to write to the nearest tenth. So first, we have to round each number to the nearest tenth and then add. So the tenth is the first digit after decimal point. So let me copy this example. Maybe first we have 0.87 plus 0.235 plus 0.00071 plus 0.6648. So now we have to round each number to the nearest tenth. Tenth is the first digit after decimal point. So let's first underline first digit after decimal point. This is tenth place. So we need to round to tenth every number. So first let me underline this tenth value. And now what we have to do? When we round, we have to check the digits after our underline digit. Is 7. When we have number greater than 5 or 5, what we have to do? We have to add 1 to our underline digit. And next we have to change every digit after our underline digits to 0. So 7 we will change to 0, and now 8 plus 1 is 9. The rest, what we have before our underline digits, we have to copy. So we have decimal point 0. Next number we have to round also to the tenth. We underline tenth. Next we check what we have after tenth is 3. When we have number less than 5 after our underline digits, we don't have to do anything. We change every digit after our underline digits to zeros and copy everything what we have before. So it will be 2, 0, 0, and decimal point we copy 0, 2. Next number is 0.00071. The digits after tenth is 0, so it's less than 5. What we have to do? We have to copy everything what we have before our underline digits, and after our underline digits we need to change to 0. So it will be 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, decimal point 0. So this is 0. And the last number after our underline digits we have 6. So the number is greater than 5. When we have number greater than 5 or 5, we need to add 1 to our underline digits. And what next? Every digit after our underline digits we have to change to 0. So it will be 0, 0, 0. And now we have to add 6 plus 1 is 7. Decimal point we copy, and 0. Everything what is before our underline digits we have to copy. So what we have here, let me rewrite our addition now. We have 0, decimal point 9. 0 after 9 we don't have to write, it doesn't change the value of our number, plus we have 0.2 plus, this is 0 so we don't have to write, and the last number is 0.7. So this is equal. We have addition of decimal numbers, so we can write them from the first number 0.9. Next we have 0.2, 0.7. We have to add these 3 decimal numbers, so we have to align decimal points. And now we start addition from the last column. We do addition decimal numbers like addition whole numbers. So 9 plus 2 is 11 plus 7 is 18. So we have 8, and 1 we add to next column. We copy decimal point exactly in the same column, and we have 1 plus 0 is 1. So the solution will be 1.8. We can write that the estimated sum is 1.8. This is my solution.